Tired of waking up with frizz, undefined waves, or curls that lose shape by lunchtime? Today, I'll walk you through the ultimate wavy and curly hair routine for 2025. Easy steps you can do right at home for frizz-free, bouncy, and well-defined hair all day long. Step 1. Pre-wash detangling and scalp prep. Before you even touch the shampoo, detangle your hair gently with your fingers or a wide-tooth comb. This helps reduce breakage. Massage your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes to stimulate blood flow and promote healthy growth. Pro tip: apply a lightweight oil like argan or jojoba to your scalp before washing. This protects natural oils during cleansing. Step 2. Sulfate-free cleansing. Curly and wavy hair tends to be drier, so use a sulfate-free shampoo to avoid stripping moisture. Focus shampoo only on your scalp, letting the suds cleanse the lengths naturally. Example: brands like Shea Moisture or Olaplex No. 4 are popular choices in the US and Europe for gentle cleansing. Common mistake: scrubbing lengths too harshly. This can roughen cuticles and create frizz. Step 3. Hydrating conditioner and squish to Condish. This step is your moisture lock-in moment. Apply conditioner generously, then use the squish to Condish method, scrunching hair upward to encourage curl clumping and hydration. Leave it on for at least 3 minutes. Use this time to detangle with a wide-tooth comb for even product distribution. Step 4. Leave-in conditioner or curl cream. Towel dry gently with a microfiber towel or cotton t-shirt. Then apply a leave-in conditioner or curl cream. This is key for definition and frizz control. If your waves tend to fall flat, choose a lightweight formula. For tighter curls, opt for a richer cream. Common mistake: using regular terry towels. They roughen the hair cuticle and cause frizz. Step 5. Styling and curl enhancing. Use styling techniques like finger coiling or the praying hands method to define curls. For wavy hair, scrunching while hair is still damp works best. Optional: add a lightweight gel for extra hold without crunchiness. Look for soft hold labels. Step 6. Diffusing or air drying. If using a diffuser, keep it on low heat and low airflow to prevent frizz. Hover diffusing works well for minimal disturbance. Air drying? Avoid touching your hair until it's completely dry. Common mistake: flipping hair too much while drying. It breaks curl patterns. Step 7. Finishing touches. Once dry, scrunch out the crunch to soften gel cast. Add a few drops of hair oil to your palms and smooth over the ends for shine. Bonus: use a silk or satin scarf at night to protect your curls. Now you have the perfect wavy and curly hair routine for 2025. Which step will you try first? Comment below and share your curl journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out my next video for more curly hair tips.